Namaste, this is Naresh Babu from Unique 360. And I would like to share something about Avotech 2023, which is organized by Unique 360. Avotech 2023 is a fundraiser program which supports Sankalpam project of Unique 360. Sankalpam, where many of the common mindset people will contribute monthly or the yearly donation starting from 1,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. So currently we have 50 plus members who contribute every month, and we directly give this to underprivileged students as a sponsorship. Sponsorship means a complete amount for the college fees or the school fees, and we directly pay to the institution, not to the beneficiaries. And any donor here in the Sankalpam will also talk about the transparency. So they will be involved in presenting the checks to the students or for medical emergencies. So to boost this, we have Avotech 2023. So talking about Avotech 2023, this is a 2 days program which was held in 2nd and 3rd October in prestigious Nimans Convention Hall. We have booked the entire auditorium complex, all the 3 halls, where 25 plus top experts, subject matter experts in the technology appreciated our work, and they gave their insight about the trending technologies. It may be drone, it may be artificial intelligence, it may be virtual reality, augmented reality, whatnot, robotics, medical, and various other interesting topics. In fact, we had scientists from ISRO who talked about Chandrayaan and space technology. So almost, I think, 3 to 4 scientists were present here to share their experiences and knowledge to transform the knowledge. Let us understand today the education institutions will give a structured knowledge, but what is trending in the market, there is no such organization or a very few organizations who talk about the current technologies. So we at Avotech, we gave the knowledge, the trending and the current knowledge which can help the people who want to build a career or who want to build a business in the startups. In both the dimensions we thought, because we always think in all the 360 dimensions, that's why we have Unique 360. So we thought that it should be helpful for a businessman to start a business. It should also be helpful for a person who want to build a career with this knowledge. Yes, every speaker really enjoyed, interacted with somewhere around 7 to 8 colleges and mixed crowd of technology aspirants who came over here. All the 2 days, from morning to evening, it was completely houseful. We had we had organized the complete refreshments, the lunch, dinner, high tea, breakfast. Everything was taken care, and almost 80 to 90% absolutely free. And those who really wanted to donate to the cause, they paid and came as a delegate, and they really enjoyed. On dot, we started all the programs, and we had a good timer, and almost all the members really enjoyed and different topics, and it was an interactive topic. It was not like just talk something and somebody should listen and go away. So it was very much interactive, and they really enjoyed. And Avotech 2023, yes, it was a grand success, and we would like to conduct this kind of event, which either you can call it as a fundraiser or an event for knowledge transformation. Both are same. Knowledge is meant for sharing, and we need to change the society also in both the dimensions. Okay, so Avotech 2024 will be announced shortly, and most of the sponsors. Currently, we got the sponsorship from KVB Karur Vaishya Bank and TGV Group, and many other sponsors. They don't want to reveal the name. See the kindness what they have. So they supported this event, and many of the colleges came here, volunteered, which was a backbone for the event to be very much successful. I thank everybody, donors, the core committee, and everybody, even Nimans Convention Hall. They appreciated our event and extended complete support for all the arrangements. Thank you so much. Avotech 2023 was a grand success, and we'll see you in 2024. Keep rocking.
So started with a great vision to impact in society, and now this Avotech 2023 is the grand success. How you are feeling?
I feel really happy. Many of them asked, many of them said that we can give the funds directly to the social cause. Why you are doing this event? If somebody is giving the amount or the contribution to the social cause, we need to ask them. And if you ask, you'll get less. But if you give, you'll get more. So we thought we'll give and take. So when we said that we are doing a branded event like this, they supported like anything, which they would have not supported if you asked directly. So yes, thanks to all the sponsors and everybody who said that yes, go ahead with this event, make it brand, and it should earn itself and a sustainable model. Today somebody can contribute, but tomorrow they may not. So when you have a brand which is built, which is beneficial for everybody, win-to-win situation. It should be a brand for sponsors, it should be a brand for us, and it should be win-to-win situation. That's why we conducted this event, and I'm so happy, excited, and wish this should happen all over the nation in major towns. And the message is fundraising, and no, you should uplift the society. So that's the happiness which I take forward. And two things: knowledge transformation and change making. Two things I'm most happiness in this Avotech 2023.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you.
Congrats for being a role model
Thank you.
to do these kind of events.
Thank you so much.
And helping so many people
Thank
to
you.
create
Thank you.
a great impact in the society.
Thank you so much,
We
sir.
are wishing you many programs should come from your organization and from you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.